Yeah, what's going on YouTube? Buck Brown, man. Making a light meal for my dog. The raw diet type thing. Um, this the first meal. This the first meal of the day. Unfortunately, I was at work. Got off a little early due to the weather. But this the first meal of the day. Um, Depending on how they act, it might be. Oh no, that's nice. That's a nice big one right there. Let me do this one and steam that one back. Alright, got the good leg quarters. We got some chicken gizzard for the throw in the mix. See, I wasn't prepared for this. I just thought I'd just give y'all a little content. I don't weigh my food. I just go off a feel. You know, whatever I feel like giving them at the time. More, if I don't think it's enough, I'll give them a little more. We got the gizzards. Good gizzards. I gotta put a little dash more in there. Dash a little more in there. You got a light hamburger meat. It's a little sprinkle, sprinkle a little bit of hamburger meat on there. Some little sprinkles of hamburger meat. I need another tray for my dog. I know. It's small. It's small. Man, it's been crazy since my pups died, man. So this is what I feed my older dogs. That's their meal. I also put oatmeal. I put oatmeal and calcium pills in their diet. Because you can give them too much calcium, but I don't think a leg quarter is the right supplement for calcium. So I just throw a little more calcium in there. And you can go by weight with these too. I forgot exactly how many grams it is, gram ratio to weight ratio. But I know this is what I've been feeding my girl Snow. I've been feeding that for about 2 months. No, I take that back. Yeah, I've been feeding her 2 calcium pills for about 2 months. It's working out pretty good on her diet. Now I'm walking to her room. She got her own room to tear up, and she definitely tears it up. That's Snow. Hey, Snow. You ready to eat? Ready to eat? This where I had my daggone dogs at. But, they gone. So, I just let Snow eat this on the floor and mop it up behind her. That's the one. That's the one that had the puppies. That's the Merle, all white. And I don't breastfeed. I don't let her feed off the tits. She don't nurse no more. So, her appetite's still way up there. She can eat 3 leg quarters a day. But I don't give her that. So I'm just giving y'all a little bill. Watch her crunch down. She got a little attitude with her now. She don't like nobody around her food. Not even me. But I'll make her get over that real quick. Don't I, Snow? Yeah, that's my baby there. She a pain, but I love her. You see, I don't want no huge dogs. You see the weight on her, 45, 50 pounds. I don't want no huge dogs. I like them to work. I want them to be able to run and have fun. I don't want a whole lot of weight on them. So That's my Merle. And I got my Try in my room. I'm gonna feed him too. And I'll do another video in his feed. But yeah, y'all like, share, subscribe, show a little love, man. Up and coming up. Trying to work it out. So show your love and support. Alright? Alright.